In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove the inconvenience in the answers Claude 3 Opus. If you want Claude to stop giving overly long, padded, or unnecessary responses, the good news is that you can usually improve that just by changing how you prompt it. The goal here is to make Claude more direct, more useful, and much easier to work with. To begin, go to Claude, sign into your account, and either start a new chat or open an existing conversation. This gives you a clean place to set expectations for how you want the model to respond. Next, give clear instructions right from the start. Instead of asking your question in a general way, tell Claude exactly how you want the answer formatted. For example, you can say, give concise answers only, avoid introductions, conclusions, and unnecessary explanations. This works well because you are not just asking for information, you are also defining the style of the response. After that, define response rules inside your prompt. This means adding specific requirements that limit extra filler. For example, you can ask it to respond with bullet points only and not include filler text, warnings, or extra commentary unless requested. The more precise you are, the more consistent the output tends to be. A great habit is to create a reusable prompt that you can paste at the beginning of your chats. Something like, be direct and concise. Provide only the information requested. Keep responses under 100 words unless I ask for more detail. This saves time and helps you get better results repeatedly without rewriting your preferences every time. If Claude offers features such as projects, knowledge files, or system instructions, use them to save your preferred response style. That way, Claude can maintain the same tone and structure across multiple conversations, which is especially helpful if you use it often. You should also request specific output formats instead of asking broad questions. For example, ask for step-by-step instructions only, bullet points only, a one-paragraph summary, table format, or checklist format. Choosing a format gives Claude less room to add unnecessary material. Another useful tip is to remove excess context from your prompt. If you provide too much background, Claude may try to address all of it and produce a longer answer. Include only what is necessary for the task. If a response still comes back too long, refine it with a follow-up like, shorten this response, or give only the essential points. This is a quick way to trim the answer without starting over. Finally, test different prompt styles, such as be concise, use minimal explanations, provide direct answers only, or skip introductions and conclusions, then save the version that works best as your preferred template.